can make me move.
For me, hold your hand while the pain